It's a beautiful day for some farm work. Ready, team? Let's harvest the sweetness. Don't worry, little buddy. The water is just fine today.
Keep in line, children. 1, 2, 1, 2, wag those tails.
Good morning, neighbours. The water is extra sparkly today, isn't it?
Last one in is a silly goose. Come on, dive in.
I'm the bravest explorer in the whole wide world.
Wait. Did that strawberry just wiggle? Oh, it's just extra juicy.
Super monkey rescue jump. Hold on tight, little friend.
Bạn không thể bắt được chúng tôi đâu, anh cá sấu. Chúng tôi quá nhanh so với bùn.
Best friends forever, through fields and ponds. Let's head home.
Hold on tight. This farm is wilder than the jungle. Don't worry, little guys. The taxi service is here.
Family meeting. Is everyone ready for our big adventure? Stay dry, babies. Mama's got you covered.
Rain, rain, go away. I've got a lot of farming to do today. Just a little higher. Being a lumberjack is hard work. Focus, monkey! We have a mission to complete! Timber. Well, almost timber. Timber-ish. 1 log, 2 logs. Now that's a professional pile. Mission accomplished! Hot cocoa for everyone tonight!
Up we go. Whew. Check out my monkey muscles, guys.
Higher and higher. I can almost see the whole farm from here.
Ooh, what's this? It's so crunchy and gold. Tickle, tickle.
Come on, kids. Single file, it's a beautiful day for a stroll.
That's all for today, friends. Don't forget to join our farm family. Bye-bye. Good morning. Is it time for an adventure already?
I'm ready.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, a clean monkey is a happy monkey.
One egg, 2 eggs. I'm the best helper on the farm. Tropical juice. So cool and sweet. Best drink ever.
Rise and shine. It's time to make this garden the best one in the world.
Beep, beep. Make way for the Tomato King!
Drink up, my little red friends. Grow big and juicy.
La la la. A little support goes a long way.
Are these giant red balls of yarn?
What's this mysterious tunnel doing here?
Hello? Is anyone in here? It's like a secret base.
Surprise! Ready or not, here I come to help!
Where could my little orange friend be hiding today?
Aha! I found you in your secret tunnel, Captain Whiskers. Wait, are you coming out or am I coming in?
Follow me. It's time to get our tools for the big harvest.
Step aside, tomatoes. The professional gardener is coming through.
Surprise! You can't start the work without your best assistant.
Buckle up, buddy. We're upgrading from paws to horsepower.
Now that is what I call a supersized snack.
Great teamwork, Whiskers! Tomorrow, we tackle the watermelons.
Step 1. Precise slicing for the secret sauce. Don't blink, kitty.
Stir it up.
Woo! We're cooking a masterpiece today.
Presentation is everything. A little touch of magic here and there.
Bone apple teeth, my friend. Ready to dig in?
Meanwhile, in the quiet countryside, lunch is served for everyone.
Oh no! Hold on, Bessie! I'm coming to save you!
Super Monkey to the rescue! Fast as a bolt!
Heave ho! Put those hooves to work, you can do it. Full power! Let's get everyone back home for dinner! Hold on tight, Bessie. Help is on the way.
Aha! I have a brilliant plan to save the day.
Time to bring out the big toys for a big mission.
Focus, focus! Which tool is the best for a muddy rescue?
Engines on! Let's go, go, go! Whoa!
Singing makes the heavy lifting much more fun.
Steady hands. Pulse and precision is the key to a perfect rescue.
Up we go. Gravity is no match for a monkey in a machine.
You're safe now, friend. Are you ready for a snack?
Mission accomplished! Everyone back to the barn for a party!
All aboard the Moo Moo Express. Next stop, the orchard.
Time for a power shower, Bessie. Scrub-a-dub-dub.
There we go, sparkling clean and fluffy as a cloud. Oh no, a little boo-boo?
Don't worry, Dr. Monkey is on the case.
1 wrap, 2 wraps, and a little pat. All better now.
Fresh milk incoming. The bucket is filling up fast.
The perfect pour. High in calcium and 100% farm fresh.
Nothing beats a hard day's work, and a Kiwi hunting season is officially open. Catch me if you can.
Sweet, sour, and superpower. The best kiwi in the whole wide world.
Ooh, look at all these fuzzy kiwis. My tummy is rumbling already.
Gotta clear this mess first. Work hard, eat later. That's my motto.
Wait, which way was the tractor again? I think I'm a little lost. Don't worry, little friend. I'll get the big machine to help you out.
Ugh, you're a bit heavier than a kiwi. Just one more push.
Aha! I have a bright idea. It's time to bring in the heavy-duty wheels.
Let's see. Wrench? No. Hammer? No! Ah, the towing chain is what we need.
Ready for rescue! Hold on tight, little elephant! Here I come! Full speed ahead! Farmer Bananas is on the job!
Whew. Looks like we need a little oil here. Precision is key.
Best taxi ride ever. Higher than a skyscraper.
Found you, little sprout. Peekaboo.
Whoops. These legs are still learning how to park.
Sending love and extra vitamins to all my fans.
Digging for treasure? Nope, just checking the roots.
Behold, the Great Pyramid of Kiwi. We're gonna need a bigger fruit bowl.
Today is a big day for the harvest, little one. Let's get to work.
Ooh, what are these fuzzy green balls? Do they taste like carrots?
Keep up, Peanut. The carrot field is just around the bend.
Gasp! Oh no! My precious carrots are taking a bath without me! I wanted a snack, not a swimming pool.
Wait. If I can't carry them, I'll need some heavy machinery. Captain Monkey is on the move. Stand back, Mud.
Full speed ahead. Nothing stops the Carrot Express. A little mud never hurt a pro. Let's see if we're stuck or just stylish.
Now, where did I put the keys? Or was it this red lever?
Time for a quick tune-up. This tractor needs to be in tip-top shape for the big harvest.
Fill it up. A strong tire means a smooth ride through the muddy fields.
1, 2, heave! Just a little push and we're back in business.
La la la, I'm the king of the road. Well, the king of the farm road at least. Đi ra đồng đây, hát bài hát yêu thích của tôi trong khi mặt trời lên cao và chói chang. Hard work makes the garden grow. Happy soil makes happy vegetables.
Look at that. Life is blooming. Every little seed has a big dream to grow.
A little snack for the plants. Eat up, little guys, so you can grow big and strong.
Success! A basket full of crunchy goodness. Best harvest ever.
Nothing beats a fresh harvest. Time to get these carrots home for a feast.
Step 1. Chop those veggies like a master chef. Precision is the secret ingredient.
Now we mix it all together.
Look at that golden cheese melt. It's starting to smell like a dream in here.
First bite, oh wow. I really outdid myself this time. Simply delicious.
Look at this beautiful morning. The pineapple field is shining like a treasure chest.
Back to work! This tractor isn't going to drive itself, and there's plenty to do.
Life on the farm is full of songs. Even the pigs are dancing today.
Digging deep for a better tomorrow. A little hard work makes the fruit taste even sweeter.
Whew! Gardening is hard work, but I'm on a mission.
What a beautiful day for an adventure. Follow the flowers.
Whoa! It's a secret underground hideout. Is anyone home?
I was sure I left my favorite digging spot right here.
Found it! Time to dig double time! Dig, dig, dig!
Hello down there. Are there any treasures hidden in this tunnel?
Better go get the supplies. This job needs professional gear.
Rope? Check. Bucket? Check. I'm ready for the big rescue.
1 loop, 2 loops, and stay tight. Safety first, little kitten.
Special delivery. Hope you're thirsty, buddy. Here comes the elevator.
Hold on tight, little furball. Rescue mission is a go. Don't worry, you're safe with me. Let's get you home. Beep, beep. Next stop, the cozy cabin. I know I kept the first aid kit right here. Aha!
There we go, all patched up. You'll be jumping around in no time.
Drink up, buddy. You need your strength for our big harvest tomorrow. After a long day of heroics, even the bravest duo needs a nap.
Rise and shine! The pineapples are ripe and ready.
Look at this one. It's huge. Can you help me find another?
Mission accomplished! We're the best farming team in the world!
Step 1, pick the perfect pineapples. This is gonna be the best juice ever.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Every sweet treat needs a clean start. Sing with me, Mr. Pineapple.
And now for the magic squeeze.
Fresh, cold, and ready to gold. Who wants the first glass of tropical goodness?